Are you tired of fad diets that promise the world but deliver nothing? The keto diet is here to change the game. Imagine shedding pounds faster than you ever thought possible. One woman lost 20 pounds in just 1 month. Another man dropped 50 pounds in 3 months. The best part? You can eat delicious, satisfying foods and still lose weight. Many of my patients report feeling more energetic, focused, and confident. Within days, you could start seeing and feeling the difference. So are you ready to unlock the power of keto, to melt away fat and reveal the healthier, happier you? Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and empowered to take control of your health. Let's break down the keto diet in simple terms. At its core, keto is about changing the way your body uses energy. Normally, your body burns carbs for fuel, but when you drastically reduce carbs, your body starts burning fat instead. This state is called ketosis, and it's the secret behind keto's incredible fat-burning power. A keto diet is high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbs. When you start keto, your body goes through a transition period, often called the keto flu. But don't let that scare you. These symptoms usually pass quickly, and then you'll start feeling better than ever. Many people find that they're naturally less hungry on keto, making it easier to stick to your diet. Plus, the high-fat foods you eat are very satisfying. While rapid weight loss is often the main attraction of the keto diet, its benefits go far beyond just shedding pounds. Many of my patients are amazed at how much better they feel overall. Increased energy is a common report. No more mid-afternoon slumps. Mental clarity is another surprising benefit. Many people describe feeling more focused and alert. Keto has also shown promise in managing certain health conditions like type 2 diabetes and epilepsy. Of course, always consult with your doctor before using keto to manage any medical condition. Another unexpected perk of keto? Better skin. Many people report clearer, more radiant skin after starting the diet. This could be due to the reduction in sugar and processed foods or the increase in healthy fats. Who doesn't want to lose weight and get glowing skin at the same time? Ready to start your keto adventure? Great! Here are some simple tips to help you get started. First, clean out your pantry. Remove high-carb foods like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. Stock up on meats, fish, eggs, low-carb veggies, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Plan your meals. This helps you stay on track and avoid the temptation of quick, carb-heavy meals. Simple meals can be just as delicious and effective. A grilled chicken breast with a side of roasted vegetables drizzled in olive oil is a perfect keto meal. Hydration is key on the keto diet. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Consider adding electrolytes to your water, especially in the beginning. This can help prevent the keto flu symptoms and keep you feeling your best. Be patient with yourself. The keto diet is a big change for your body. Celebrate small victories along the way and keep your eyes on your long-term health goals. Now let's talk about food. One of the best things about keto is that you can eat delicious, satisfying meals. Meat and fish are staples of the keto diet. Beef, pork, chicken, salmon, tuna, they're all great choices. Eggs are another keto superstar. They're versatile, nutritious, and perfect for any meal of the day. Focus on low-carb veggies like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. Avocados are a keto favorite. They're high in healthy fats and incredibly versatile. Now, what about foods to avoid? The main culprits are anything high in carbs like bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. Sugary foods are also off the menu. That means no candy, cookies, or sodas. Stick to small portions of low-sugar fruits like berries. Water is your best friend on keto. Coffee and tea are fine, but skip the sugar. Alcohol can fit into a keto diet, but choose wisely. Opt for low-carb options like dry wine or spirits without sugary mixers. As we wrap up our keto journey, I want to leave you feeling inspired and empowered. The keto diet isn't just about losing weight, it's about embracing a new, healthier lifestyle. Remember, you have the power to transform your body and your life. Keto is just the tool to help you do it. Don't be afraid to start small. Maybe start by replacing one meal a day with a keto-friendly option. Support is crucial on any weight loss journey. Consider joining a keto community online or finding a friend who wants to try keto with you. Having people to share your experiences with can make all the difference. Finally, keep your eyes on the prize. Visualize the healthier, happier you that's waiting at the end of this journey. Imagine how great you'll feel when you reach your goals. The keto diet can help you get there. So why wait? Your new life could be just one meal away. Are you ready to take the first step? The keto revolution is waiting for you.